Yeah, probably is. It's a stronger fitment, isn't it?
Yeah, stop turn, that's it. Now a bit more lock, swing it around a bit more, that's it. That's it, lovely. Perfect. Yep, lovely.
Right, I've just arrived at Brett's to take my wing and my bonnet off the E36 we brought between us. I'm not sure what he's done to the car. I'll give you a quick walk round. I want to see what he's done. Well, as you can see, all the doors have been removed, sunroof's been moved, and all the interior's been removed, apart from the carpets, which is his next job. Removed all the boot lining. I'm not sure if we had a spare wheel or not, I don't know, but that's all gone if it was. Driver's door's all gone. So yeah, he's cracked on a little bit there.
I've ruined it is what I've done.
He's ruined a good thing. You know, when we bought this car, we weren't sure whether it was going to be any good or not. When we got it back and we actually washed the thing off, we kind of thought we're kind of ruining a good E36 here. Right. What are we doing? I'm going to remove the bonnet first, and then we'll remove the wings. Right, that's the bonnet removed. Very quick actually, that wasn't too bad. Now for the wings, which might be a different story. Right, to move the bottom ones, I have to get on my back and get underneath and pull the plug so I can remove this side skirt and undo the bottom ones. I'm not sure they will undo. I might have to grind those ones out. But obviously I'm in it. Got the chin that's in here I've got to do yet. Which came on done really easy, which is good. Well, I'm at this bit of the video doing this. You know, if you like what you're seeing, please like. Tell your friends, subscribe to the channel. Please give me a like. Really appreciate it. Have you got a tool to pull the trim pins? Right, we've had the wing, we've had the bonnets, now we're just changing the wheels over because these are a little bit bigger and put some smaller wheels on. So. That looks horrendous in pedals on, doesn't it? Yeah. What's he doing? Come off then.
Where did you jack it?
Under the jacking point. That's the jacking point there, isn't it? Right where they are. Well, what a difference that makes for those smaller wheels.
I know, that's terrible, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, that's the wheels changed over. I've had the bonnet, the wing, 4 sets of wheels, put some small wheels so we can move it around for a little bit.
Yep.
That's it for this part. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.